Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows Core Registry API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. I recommend the automated system scan for Windows Core Registry API to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Windows Core Registry API. This shim facilitates high-performance interactions between user mode applications and the Windows Configuration Manager. It manages registry key enumeration and value modification to ensure software settings are correctly read. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Windows Core Registry API DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Windows Core Registry API component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Windows Core Registry API DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Windows Core Registry API management. If this fix repaired Windows Core Registry API dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.